Obsidian, Roam Research. Two of the most talked about note-taking apps, but which one really delivers? On the left, Obsidian, your knowledge, locally, and markdown magic for connected thoughts. On the right, Roam Research, effortless networked thinking, block by block. Let's skip the buzzwords and get to the real stuff. Each category earns points, and at the end, you'll see exactly who comes out on top. The result might not be what you expect. So, before we get into the nitty-gritty, let's pull up our trusty mind map. Here's what we'll be comparing today: pricing, data control and privacy, customization and plugins, linking and knowledge graph, collaboration, performance and speed, and, of course, user experience and interface. Ready to roll? Let's go category by category. All right, first up, pricing. This is usually a deal breaker for most of us, right? Okay, so Obsidian, get this, is actually free for personal use, which is kind of insane. Like, you get the full experience, no nagging restrictions. If you want it for commercial stuff, there's a one-time payment, plus some optional add-ons for sync or publish. But honestly, you can do a ton before ever touching your wallet. Now, Roam Research, here's where things get spicy. There's no free tier at all. Yep, you gotta pay upfront. $15 a month or $175 for the year. All the essentials are in the paid plan, but oof, that price point really makes you think. So for pricing, it's a pretty clear win for Obsidian. Moving on, data control and privacy. This is huge nowadays. All right, Obsidian's entire thing is local storage. Your notes live on your computer. No cloud unless you want it. You literally own your knowledge base. And that's kind of empowering, you know? Only catch, you gotta handle your own backups. On the other side, Roam gives you encrypted cloud storage. Sounds secure, but you need internet to do, like, anything. Plus, your notes are on Roam's servers, and you don't have that same feeling of control. So, if privacy and independence are your jam, Obsidian takes this round for sure. Now, let's talk customization and plugins. Obsidian fans know this already. It's wildly customizable. You've got a massive plugin ecosystem, custom themes, workflow tweaks, the whole 9 yards. Of course, diving deep into this means braving a learning curve. So, yeah, prepare for some rabbit holes. Roam, on the other hand, keeps it super simple. What you see is what you get. Clean interface, minimal setup. Great for folks who want less tinkering. But if you're thinking, hey, I'd love to jazz things up, Roam's pretty limited for that, and there aren't many third-party plugins. So yeah, Obsidian easily wins in customization. There's just so much more you can do. Hey, random fact break. Did you know Obsidian has a mascot that's a wizard? Yeah, and Roam users literally call themselves networked thinkers. Wait, seriously, would you rather be a wizard or part of a big web? Just something to chew on while we keep rolling. Let's jump over to linking and knowledge graph. Honestly, the main reason so many folks love these apps. With Obsidian, you get advanced bidirectional links and an awesome graph view where you can really geek out visualizing your note connections. It does take a bit of setup to get the graph really singing, but oh man, it's satisfying when you do. Roam, it's all about instant block-level references. Like, linking ideas on the fly is almost magical. Connections just sort of emerge without much work, although the graph interface is less customizable than Obsidian. So on this front, it's honestly neck and neck. Both are killer, so let's call it a tie. All right, now for collaboration. If you're working solo, you might not care, but for teams, this is huge. Obsidian gives you basic file sharing, like via sync or third-party plugins. Real-time collab, though? Yeah, kinda limited. Roam Research, however, is designed for live collaboration in shared workspaces. Super easy for teams and group projects. The only weird part? It's limited to the web and cloud, so no local files. But still, if you prioritize working together in real time, Roam's got a clear edge here. Onward. Let's talk about performance and speed. So, with Obsidian, things load instantly. Doesn't matter how massive your vault gets. It just handles it with zero internet lag. Only con is you might need some manual organizing if your setup gets wild, but honestly, it's worth it for speed. Roam's pretty snappy with smaller sets, and block references update super fast. But as you start piling on links and backlinks, things can get, sluggish. Plus, you're at the mercy of server speed. So for speed demons, Obsidian takes it. And lastly, user experience and interface. Obsidian comes in strong with a modern markdown editor and a graph view that actually helps you navigate all your brain dumps. The only thing is, that first setup can feel a bit intense. There's a lot going on. Roam, though, effortless block creation and daily notes. It's so smooth. Sometimes, though, it gets messy if you go cray-cray with indentations. Plus, the unconventional layout can throw off newbies. Still, for that frictionless flow, Roam edges Obsidian in user experience. Okay, let's visualize that score breakdown on our radar chart. You can see where Obsidian totally crushes it. Pricing, privacy, customization, speed. Roam really shines in collaboration and user experience, plus that knowledge graph battle, which, I mean, honestly, that's a draw. So, what's my final take? If you care about privacy, want a personal digital brain, and love to tweak your workflow, Obsidian's going to be way more satisfying. But hey, if you're all about working with a team, or just want something that gets networked thinking out of the box, Roam Research is fresh and frictionless. The winner is Obsidian for most users, but Roam is awesome for those collab-driven creators. If this helped you at all, go check out both apps and see which one vibes best with you. Seriously, don't just take my word. Try the demos before you commit, especially in 2025, where productivity tools just keep getting better.